Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Smera Healthy Wali. Welcome to all of you in my new session. I hope you all are doing well. And today I am going to review a very inspiring TED Talks on education by Sugata Mitra. If you are a student, teacher, professional, content creator, then this talk will be very informative for you. And today I'm going to review his concept about self-education. Sugata Mitra is a very well-known education researcher. He is also TED Talk winner, and he is very famous for his hole in the wall experiment. He do believe that children can learn independently if we give them internet access and curiosity. The self-learning means to learn something without waiting for the someone to teach you, then asking questions, experimenting, searching, and collaborating. In his experiment, the hole in the wall theory, he put a computer screen with all the internet access in the area where is no computer literacy by the children. Children did not know anything about the computer, and he was very amazed that children start learning by themselves. They also start learning computer literacy as well as start solving their difficult questions regarding to their studies. They also help each other regarding this computer literacy. I do believe that Sugata Mitra changed the way we think about education. He reminds us that curiosity is the biggest teacher. However, I do believe that children still need their moral support, values, guidance, and mentorship from the teacher because the technology should support the teacher, but it cannot replace them. In today's world, when there are many AI tools are came into the market, the process of learning is very easy. Like the teachers can solve different difficult questions by using AI tools. The students can learn about their different subjects, and the professional can learn different skills. However, if we use these tools with critical thinking, then it will be very helpful for us. I got three lessons from the Sugata Mitra talk. The first is the curiosity is more important than memorization. He do believe that if we give a big goal with the internet access and all the AI tools to the students, then he has this power to learn by themselves. They don't need any teacher. The second lesson which I got from his talk is the learning. That learning is the process which stay with you throughout the life, whether you are a 10 years old or the 60 years old. And the third lesson which I got from his talk is that technology cannot replace the humans, rather it supports the humans. It supports students, it supports teachers, it supports professionals, and all the era. My biggest takeaway from the Sugata Mitra talk is that always asking question and always learning, because the future belongs to those who learns forever. At the end, I would like to say that if you find my this review any informative, then share, comment, and share it with your friends and family so that they can also benefit it from this review. See you in the next live session soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Be healthy, keep learning, use the AI wisely, and take your every minute count. Thank you so much for watching, and Allah Hafiz.